Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to continue the chapter of class 10 ICSE Mathematics Similarity. If the students are finding very difficult to solve geometry problems or else to understand what is similarity, in our previous video of part 1 of the same chapter, we have covered the complete basics. Okay? If you have not yet watched the previous video, my sincere advice for you all that please kindly watch the part 1 video so that you will get most of the basics. So definitely those fundamentals will be helpful for you to continue with this chapter with the best clarity. Okay. Now without wasting much time, let's get started of the chapter similarity. Here we are going to solve the worked examples of the complete chapter, the exercise problems of this complete chapter, the miscellaneous problems, and also the multiple choice questions and MIQs. That is most important questions which is been expected for your upcoming final board exam. Example number 1. So, dear students, here the first example problem of your ICSE class 10 textbook of new syllabus. In the given figure, OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. Show that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now, it's very easy question and it's a basic question. Here we don't have much things to prove. Okay. First of all, as you can see, in the given question, already they have given certain data. What is given? The given part is OA by OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. They have already said that we have got two triangles. What are the names of the triangle? One is triangle AOB and the second one is triangle COD. See children, you can write TRINGLE triangle or you can also write the symbol. So both are one and the same. Don't get confused. Now in these two triangles, already they have said that these two sides are proportion. OA side is proportion to OC. Now, sir, which is triangle AOB? Can you see the part which I am shading here? This is the triangle AOB. This part is triangle AOB and we can see here this part is triangle COD. We have two triangles. Yes or no? So what is given in these two triangles? The given part is, what is the given part in both the triangles? The given part is OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. Now first I am going to write like this. Let me consider triangle, that is in triangle AOB. Can you see the shaded region? This triangle and then triangle COD. In these two triangles, what do we know? We know that OA is of side what? Triangle. Can you see this OA? Can you see OA side? OA by this OA is proportion to which side? OC. OA is proportion to OC. Am I right? In triangle AOB, we are taking OA. In triangle COD, we are taking OC. Can you see the figure? Can you see in this figure? Am I right? So what do we see? We can see this side OA is proportion to this side OC. OA is proportion to OC. Who said? In the question only it is given. OA is proportion to OC. Then what they are telling? OB is proportion to OD. This is given. This is given. Any doubts? Clear? Sure. Good. And then we know that. What do we know? Angle AOB. Can you see this triangle? This is A and this is O and this is B. Angle AOB is equals to angle what? Zero. Yes, very good. Why? Because see children, Here, if what we have an angle, here also we have the same angle. So angle A and angle C are vertically opposite angles, right? Sorry, angle A and angle C are alternate angles. Can you see this shape? ध्यान रखो बेटा इधर टॉप में लिए तो इधर बॉटम में लेंगे. If you take like this, here if you take this corner, here you should take this corner. This we call as alternate angles. Here if I am going to start from A, then here I have to start from C. Can you see this? Here what I did? I've started from A. Am I right? We have started from A, came to O, ending with B. That is angle AOB. In this, which is the main angle? Which is the center one? O. So O is the main angle. O is the main angle. So angle AOB is equals to, shall we write angle DOC or COD? DOC can I write or COD I can write? COD, because if you start from here A, then here you have to start from C. Clear? समझ में आया बेटा? कभी भी ऐसे Z शेप में अगर से कोई फिगर रहा तो उसके ऑपोजिट कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट करना है. We have to start from the opposite corners. Start from A, then here we have to start from C. So angle COD. What is this? These are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angle. For this figure also angle O. For this figure also angle O. Angle O is common. So angle O is common. Am I right? So angle AOB is equals to angle COD. VOA. In short, I am writing as vertically opposite angle. Now, as you can see, what is OA? What is OA? Side. What is OB? Side. What is in between? O. Side angle side of first triangle is equals to side angle side of second triangle. Am I right? OA is side, OB is side, OA is side, O is angle. OA side, O angle, OB side. Side angle side of first triangle is equals to side angle side of second triangle. Am I right? Clear? Good. So shall I write now like this? Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. How can you say they are similar? How can you say they are similar? By using SAS similarity criteria. According to SAS similarity criteria, side angle side of first triangle, if it is equals to side angle side of second triangle, then directly we can say that triangles are similar. This is what they are actually asking us to prove. What did they ask us to prove? Show the triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Hence proved. Hence proved. We have proved that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Any doubts? Good. Let me continue with the next problem. Observe your students. The next problem. In a triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC and D is a point on side AC. If BC square is equals to AC into DC, show that BD is equals to BC. Now, here actually I have drawn the figure. Suppose if they don't give the diagram in the question, so how will you plot the diagram? Let's see. First of all, they said that we have one triangle by the name ABC. This is triangle ABC. Now in the question they said that AB is equals to AC. Can you see this? This side AB is equals to this side AC. These both the sides are equal. Equal. If this is 5 centimeter, then this is also 5 centimeter. AB is equals to AC. Now here the question is, D is a point on side AC. Where is AC? Here. This is height AC. Somewhere I am going to mark a point called as a D. There is no exact value. Somewhere we have marked a point called as a D. So D is a point on AC. Now the question is, they have given the condition BC square. Where is BC? It's here. AC, where it is? Here. Into DC. Now, to prove this, BD is equals to BC. What I am doing? I am joining this BD. I am joining this BD. Now, have you found some extra thing in this? What is that extra? We have two triangles now. Can you see this? Earlier it was only triangle ABC. Now since we are joining this side BD, then we got one more new triangle. Can you see that new triangle BDC? And also we got ABD. We have got two new triangles. Earlier it was one triangle. Because of this side we got two triangles. This one triangle has interchanged into two sub triangles. Am I right? Now, dear students, what we do now? Now, can I just reshape this same triangle for our understanding? What is the meaning of reshape, sir? Observe. Simple. First, I am going to take this triangle. What is the name of the triangle? ABC. ABC. In which now my side BC is the base. What is it? Base. If this is a home, this is my ground. This is my base of my home. This complete is my home and this is my base. Now I'm going to take one more triangle. This is the next triangle. Can you see here? This is a new triangle. What is the name of this? BDC. This is my new triangle, BDC. Any doubts? Any doubts with these two figures? Concept is clear. Now, dear students, very simple. Yes? No. Why I'm not taking ABD? Because I want BC. I have to prove BD is equals to BC. So I want BD side and I want BC side. Since I want BD and BC, so I am not taking this upper triangle. Because in the upper triangle, I am getting AB. Here there is no requirement of AB. I want only BD and BC. Where is BD and BC? In this triangle, BD and BC is existed in the lower triangle. So that what I did, I am taking lower triangle. समझे बेटा? नीचे का triangle ही क्यों हम ले रहे हैं? हाँ. Now, one small question. If this is my home, how can I construct a wall? I can construct a wall like this. Am I right? Yes or no? अगर से एक घर में आपको एक दीवार बनाना है तो आप कैसा बनाएंगे दीवार? Straight. Am I right? Clear? हाँ. Now here also in this triangle, no, I am constructing this wall. This is like a wall, right? अब ये वॉल किसके ऊपर रहेगा? बेस. According to this figure, this is my base. Now according to this figure, this is my base. Am I right? Correct? No. If that figure is like this region is my base. If the figure is like this, then this region is my base. So what is the conclusion from these both the statements? That is, according to this figure, BC is the base. According to this figure, CD is the base. Any doubts? Understood how to guess the concepts? Sure. Understood or not? Now can we say that this side BC and side CD both are, I don't know, equal. So can I say they are proportional? They are proportional. Yes or no? This side BC is proportional to side CD. Can I write? Can I say yes or no? Yes or no? Just look at to the figure also. See the length of side BC. It is bigger. See the length of side CD. It is smaller. That is also one kind of a guess. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोले थे बेटा? ये भी कितना बड़ा है, AC भी उतना ही है. From A to B, how much we have? A to C also same. AB is equals to AC. तो AC क्या हुआ? थोड़ा बड़ा साइड हुआ. अब इसमें ये साइड BC है, राइट? ये BC क्या है? थोड़ा बड़ा है. ये CD क्या है? थोड़ा छोटा है. So I hope you remember, whenever we get two different sizes of the sides, then that is called as proportional. So according to this, can we say this side BC is proportional to side DC? Can we say? Okay. So just by seeing the figure, we have come to this conclusion. Now come back to the question. See children, what is given in the question? Solution. What is given in the question? Given that BC square is equals to AC into DC. Am I right? Am I right? Sure. BC square is what? AC into DC. Now what do you mean by BC square? BC into BC is BC square. BC into BC is equals to AC into DC. Now I am going to do one thing, children. Out of this 2 BC, I am going to keep one BC as it is, and the other BC I will shift to the other side. What I am doing? Keeping one time of BC here, and the other BC I am shifting to the other side. So what it becomes? It becomes like this: BC by, if this BC is coming down, out of this AC and DC, any one term should come this side. चाहे आप AC को इधर रखो, DC को नीचे भेजो, or keep DC here, shift AC here. Correct? No. No, that also we will plan for whom should send. We want to send AC or we want to send DC. Let's see for whom we have to send to the other side. This we will decide according to the figure. This one will decide according to the figure. So what I am doing now, I am keeping this BC as it is by. Now, can we shift AC down or DC down? Yes. See here. Logic is simple. For whom shall we send? DC. And any doubts? Clear now? BC by DC is equals to AC by BC. समझे बेटा? इधर का DC क्या हुआ? इधर नीचे आया. तो इधर का एक BC इधर नीचे आया. That's it. Nothing else. Now dear students, very simple. Now we prove that BC is proportional to DC. Am I right? BC is proportional to DC. And this side AC, can you see this double mark? Which I am showing double indication. So this side AC is proportional to this side BC. Am I right? Clear? This single side by single side, double side by double side. Any doubts? Now, dear students, one more interesting thing. Now see this figure. Can you see this main figure? Can you see this main figure? Yeah. Now I am going to for this complete figure, can you see this angle C? बेटा पूरे फिगर में एंगल सी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. अगर से आप ये बड़ा ट्रायंगल ले रहे हैं, कौन सा? ABC. Which triangle I am taking? ABC. C is this corner. If you take this छोटा triangle, that is BDC, again C is the corner. For both the triangle, C is our right corner. Yes or no? It means that is our common angle. What can we say that as? Common angle. So shall we write like this? Angle ACB is equals to angle BCD. Can we say? Can we say? Angle ACB, sorry, angle ACB is equals to angle. अब इधर A top है, इधर A कौन है top में? D है. So if we start from A, here we have to start from D. Angle ACB is equals to angle DCB, where angle C is common angle. Angle C is what? Common angle. Angle C is common angle. My dear students, now interesting fact, can you see this? Side, angle, side of first triangle is equals to side, angle, side of second triangle. Am I right? Any doubts? Side, angle, side of first triangle is equals to side, angle, side of second triangle. So can we come to the conclusion? Therefore, triangle ACB, this triangle, if you want you can write ABC also. If you write ABC, here you write DBC. Here if you write ACB, here you write DCB. Simple. Yes or no? You want me to take ACB or ABC? If you want ABC, no worries. Write ABC. If you write ABC, what you should write here? Triangle DBC. Clear? Sure. Sure. And also you can write BDC also. What you can write? Sir, what sir? Getting confused. You are telling one side, one time DBC, one time BCD. Sir, please tell me what I should write, sir. I'll tell you how to write. That also I have a logic. Observe here. What is this? Double side. What is this? Angle. What is this? Single side. Correct? Yes or no? Opposite to this double side and single side, this is my A. This A is touching double side and plane side. Yes or no? बेटा A किसे टच हो रहा है बेटा? For whom this A is touching? Can you see this? This A is touching this double side and plane side. Double side और plane side के बीच में angle ये आ रहा है. Angle A where it is existed between double side and single side. समझे नहीं? This is my double side. This is my plane side. This is my A. This is my angle A. Angle A is existed between double side and plane side. Correct? Now can you tell me in this figure which is double side and which is plane side? How to identify which side we have to take? No, tell me. I took here ABC. Then what I should take here? If I take here ABC, then what I should write here triangle name? डबल और सिंगल के बीच के ऑपोजिट में कौन आ रहा है? बी. गुड. समझे? ये डबल साइड नहीं क्या बेटा? सी हियर, दिस इज माय डबल साइड, दिस इज माय प्लेन साइड. In between angle A. This is my double side, this is my plane side. Between this angle B. Now got the picture? Now got the picture? Sure? Clear? Good. So what should I write here now? What should I write here? If I start from here A, then here I have to start from B. Correct? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle B. अब A के बाद कौन आ रहा है बेटा? B आ रहा है. B कहां पे टच हो रहा है? Plane side and single side. Can you see this? Where B is coming here? Where is B is coming? After A, I am coming for B. Where is B is touching? Plane and single side. Here, where is plane and single side? This is my plane side. This is my single side. D is coming. So I should go with D. समझे? B, D, and then C. Any doubts? Any doubts with these concepts? Understood how to identify the sides and how to identify the angles? Here we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. How can you say this? Based on SAS similarity criteria. According to SAS similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. When these two triangles are similar, already I said that, if these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and sides are proportional. देखो बेटा, whenever we say that triangles are similar, then directly we can say that corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Yes or no? Now according to the question, what I have to prove? I want to prove BD is equals to BC. ठीक है बेटा, तो मुझे यहाँ sides की जरूरत है. What is required here? Sides. So shall we say now here directly? Now we can say that side BC is proportion to DC. BC is proportion to DC is equals to AC is proportion to BC is equals to, see the figure. See the figure. First what I wrote, BC is proportion to DC. Can you see that this is BC proportion to DC. BC by DC. Then what I wrote, AC by BC. This is my AC. This is my BC. And next, what is left out? AB. Now side AB is proportion to side DB or BD. Am I right? Am I right? So if you want write DB or you can write BD. Now all these three sides are proportional to each other. Concepts are clear? Is the concepts are clear? Understood? Now I'll do one thing, children. Simple. Okay. Observe you. देखो बेटा. Now what we have to prove here, children? BD is equals to BC. I want BD and BC. Among these three conditions, where is BD? Where is BD? Here. Where is BC? Here. Yes or no? Yes or no? No, can I write? Can I write? I'll take these two conditions. Out of three, I'm going to choose two conditions. Which are the two conditions? AC by BC is equals to AB by BD. Can I write? Now, I will write AC by BC is equals to, in place of AB, can I write AC? Because BC is equals to AC. AC is equals to AB. इसका मतलब ये तीनों क्या है? सेम है. BC की वैल्यू AC की वैल्यू सेम है. AC जितना है AB भी उतना ही है. So in place of AB, can I write AC? So AC by BD. Now we can come to the conclusion that therefore numerators are equal. Yes or no? When both the numerators are equal, then definitely denominators will also be equal. Now we have proved that BC is equals to BD or BD is equals to BC. Hence proved. Any doubts? Is the concept is clear? So in this problem, we have understood two things. First thing, how to start solving the problem. Second thing, how to choose. First, which we have to take. Second, which one we have to take. And third, which we have to take. And how to name the names of the triangle. Any doubts? Good. Copy down. We'll go to the next problem. Question number 3. Children, the next problem here is, in the given figure, AP is equals to 8 centimeter, BP is equals to 22 centimeter, AQ is equals to 12 centimeter, and QC is equals to 8 centimeter. Now, they are asking us to prove two things. Find the value and prove two conditions. Which are those? The first one is, show that triangle APQ is similar to triangle ACB. The second is, if PQ is equals to 14 centimeter, then what is the value of side BC? I'll give you an important step. Please do remember this condition. What is that condition is? Simple. See here. Observe here. This is my triangle ACB. Let me say this is also my triangle ACB. Now you can see this. This is QP and here also QP. See here. How to take the conditions of proportionals. Please remember this logic. Whenever you find a diagram like this, please ensure if you are going to take side AQ here, this side AQ will be proportion to this side AB. Remember. So to consider, side AQ is proportion to side AB. First case. Similarly, if you wanna take AP side, then this side AP will be proportion to this side AC. Any doubts? Clear? Is the concept is clear? Understood? How to prove, children's? If you want to take AP, what you should say? AP is proportion to AC. And here AQ is proportion to AB. Can we take? Can we take? Remember this logic. Remember this logic. Okay. Now, let me name the triangles. Which are the two triangles I am considering here? In triangle APQ, just a minute. Option 1. What I am going to find? Option 1. Option 1. In triangle APQ and triangle ACB. And triangle ACB. Okay. If you want, I will cut these two triangles into two parts. How? This is my triangle ABC and this is my triangle APQ. Okay. Clear? First I am taking triangle APQ and then second I am taking triangle ACB. I have to prove this both the triangles are similar. Am I right? Am I right? First I am taking APQ, no? Then first I am going to take this triangle APQ. According to APQ, what we can say now? This side AP is proportion to what? Just now I told you. Remember? This side AP is proportion to side AC is equals to, if you are going to take side AQ, this side AQ is proportion to side AB. Can I write? Can we write? Sure. हाँ, समझे बेटा? इधर आप छोटा ले रहे हैं तो ये सेट बड़ा सेट लेना है. इधर अगर से छोटा ले रहे हैं तो इधर का आपको बड़ा सेट लेना है. You want to take the bigger set. Concepts are clear? Now AP by AC is equals to AQ by AB. Now tell me, what is side AP? They have given the value of AP. Yes. What is side AP? 8 centimeter. By AC. Did they give the value of AC? No, they have not given the value. But we know, if you want to know this side AC, it means you have to add these two parts. Am I right? AQ, what you should add? AQ and QC you should add. Am I right? Yes or no? AQ plus QC will give you AC. That is equals to AQ. What is the value of AQ? 12 centimeter. By AB. Now what is the value of AB? This full side. How to find this full side? So AB, we don't know the complete value of AB, isn't it? Yes or no? How to find the value of AB? That is AP plus BP or PB. Can I write? Can I write? Sure. Sure. Now tell me children, how to find? 8 by AQ. What is the value of AQ? 12. Plus, what is the value of QC? 8. Is equals to 12 by, what is the value of AP? 8. What is the value of BP? BP? 22. Then 8 by 12 plus 8 is 20. Is equals to 12 by 22 plus 8 is 30. Correct? Am I right? Isn't it? Isn't it? So, what we are finding? All values we know. See, we wrote AP by AC, we wrote AQ by AB. Am I right? Yes or no? Then what we are going to find here? What is this value? This is the value of AP by AC. Am I right? And this is the value of AQ by AB. Correct, no? Yes or no? What is this value, children? This is the value of AP by AC. And this is the value of AQ by AB. Correct, no? Yes or no? So here we can conclude the steps like this. If you want, we can say that AP by AC is equals to 8 by 20. Am I right? And similarly, AQ by AB is how much? 12 by 30. This is the value of this. If you want, you can solve separately also. Solve AP by AC separate. Solve AQ by AB separately. Understood? Now, can you simplify this? Does it goes with any tables? Yes. 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So we can conclude that AP by AC is equals to 2 by 5. Then AQ by AB is equals to 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. That's nothing but 2 by 5. Clear? From this, what we can say? What we can say? Both the values are equal. This is what actually first I have considered. Can you see this? First I told no AP by AC equals AQ by AB. How did we got to know from this? You understood? देखो बेटा एक्चुअली मैं आपको पहले क्या बोला था आप इधर ये क्यू लेने तो आपको इधर ये भी लेना है राइट आई सेड यू नो yes or no this is what I have proved here actually you are not supposed to take this initially मैं आपको बस दिखाया था अब आपको प्रूफ करके दिखाना है अभी आपको वो स्टेप लिखना है that is the logic I gave in the beginning what is the logic I gave the logic here if you take AP here you should take AC no understood now we got to know that now here we got to know that this side AP by AC value and side AQ by AB values are equal. Am I right? समझे बेटा हाँ इसका मतलब what is the meaning of this is simple जब भी आपको प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करना है you can use this idea and you try to solve them I just gave the idea I just gave the hint for you people how to start solving the problem if not you may not get a step how to begin with the problem whenever you get this type of step first you take here AQ here you take AB and here you take AP here you take AC and begin with the problem definitely you will get the both the ratios equal don't worry now here you have to show these two sides are proportion yes or no yes or no correct correct now which are the two sides of proportion can you tell me AP single line AP single line and then just tell me see here once again let me to repeat I'll write here for your convenience see here this is my half side okay this is my half side and this is my full side clear this is my half side and this is my half side and this is my full side now what I'm telling now this side AP this single side is proportion to side AC single side correct then side AQ double side is proportion to side AB double side yes or no now can you see this angle A is common for both the triangles is angle A is common for both the triangles yes or no this is my small triangle done and this is my big triangle so either you take this small triangle either you take this small triangle or you take this big triangle angle A is common angle A is common so directly what we can write if you want we can write here APQ am I right so can I say here angle what tell me first angle what angle A is common can I say angle A is common yes or no देखो बेटा ये क्यों क्या साइड ये एंगल AP side angle side of first triangle is equals to side angle side of second triangle am I right yes or no side angle side of first triangle is equals to side angle side of second triangle. So directly we can come to the conclusion that therefore triangle APQ is similar to triangle ACB. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Now, very interesting point. Okay, let me paste it here, this part. So this was my 12. Now, according to condition 1, we have already proved, right? Show the triangle APQ is similar to triangle ACB, we have proved, right? Now we have the second case. What's the second case, children? We have to find the value of BC. Now, as we know that when the triangles are similar, all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Yes or no? Now, which are the corresponding sides I can take? AP by AC. Can you see this figure? देखो बेटा, छोटा ट्रायंगल और बड़े ट्रायंगल को देखो. छोटे ट्रायंगल में AP हो रहा है, बड़े ट्रायंगल में AC आ रहा है. AP by AC is equals to AQ by AB. Now, which is the side is left out in the chota triangle? PQ. Which is the side is left out in bada triangle? CB or PC. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now all the three sides are proportional. Now out of these all the three sides, choose any two sides. First side which value you know, second side which value you want to find. But according to this statement, we know these both are equal. Am I right? Yes or no? So it's up to you. You can choose any one. I will take AP by AC only. No worries. Take AP by AC. Is equals to PQ by BC. Can we say? Now what is AP by AC? Here 2 by 5. How much is PQ? 14 by BC. Can we cross multiply now? BC is equals to 14 into 5 by 2. 14 into 5 by 2. 5 shift to the other side, BC shift to the other side. Cross multiply them. Cross multiply them. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Therefore, the value of BC is 7 fives are 35 centimeters. First only I gave you the logic. Whenever you get this type of figure, you have to take this side small side and this side big side proportion. Again this side small side and this side big side proportion. Like this you start continuing with the problem. Start the problem by using this hint so that it will be easy for you to solve this problem. Any doubts? Good. Children, I hope you all have understood this problem. Am I right? Yes. Very good. My dear students, yet if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Classes, kindly do subscribe and click the bell icon. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay? I hope the class is interesting. In the next episode, we are going to start with exercise problems. So here we have concluded based on SAS property 3 worked examples of your ICSE class 10th new syllabus textbook. Now we will begin with exercise problems related to this worked examples. Do take care, keep watching, all the best. We'll meet soon.